Welcome back to 103.3 FM, XCMT, bringing you your hot jams and news for the week in Kansas County. My name's Mara, and I was just talking with Lumiere Labs Biotech Director, Taurine Sapienta, and Lumiere Nord's Robotics and Prothesis Director, Korza Maelstrom, about their next big project. Coming up, we're kicking the morning off with Zephys City's Sangarang. This is No Room for Us.
In the bed you sound so musical, in the club you scream. God like gaze, you're so beautiful, but you're not for me. I can't sleep lately, I'm just trying to find peace. Classic melodies, I just wanna be free. I'm sorry, darling, I can't breathe. There's no room for us, there's no room for us.
An emergency earthquake warning has been issued for the following areas: mainland Trava, northeastern Jinsota, Zephyria, Montez. An urban earthquake emergency has been issued for eastern Kansas County and Harson County. Strong tremors are expected. Take cover now.
And I always knew it wasn't you. There's no room for us. I said,